Hello viewers, this is a regular program where we come to you, talk to the camera. Me name na Kona Sise. Today we can have Funkia. We can have the work for can find out where to make fishing price the go up, as people don't they grumble nowadays say fishing price the go up. Well now we go down the wharf and go talk to people them so that we go find out why is it that the fishing price they go up. Well now go with the go there and go and talk to them fisherman them and also the one the way they sell the fish for know the reason for this problem. Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, ma.
What's your name?
My name is Ali Mansari.
What's your position at the wharf?
Me na PRO.
Alright. Sir, we come for talk to you concerning the fishing price we don't go up. People in the grumble out there say the fishing price don't go up. What's your say concerning Andy?
Well, the fishing right now, who they go na she they need fishing. Now far fish they come, and the petrol there, and the master boat them when they go for try for cover up the petrol. Now through panda fish they hold and they count. That little fish hold and they count. Sometimes they know they able cover up the fuel. Now they able pull them fuel money.
Okay. We don't talk to plenty people out there. They don't tell we say now because of trailer, waiting and sea, and also the weather. So what do you get for say concerning that?
Well, as soon as they see the rain boku, the weather boku, this last night will cancel the breeze be rain come back last night with the breeze. So fisherman they get time for go na sea. As soon as they see no more now some boat them pack. They don't get time for go na sea. Petrol there, and when fisherman pull him money spend pan petrol for go fishing, they no able go cover up and finally they no go able go na sea. They pack in boat, they no go able fishing, and the one where they go na sea, they no able reach outside the fishing day the weather breeze boku, so now make them no go able.
Well, the fishing condition compared to last year in season and this year, how you see them?
It's terrible. It's terrible, bad. The weather too much. The weather anytime weather they blow, rain boku, fisherman they get time for go na sea. And the time where the fisherman they ready for move for go na sea, na in the weather they fall down, rain come. And fisherman not go able to risk in life for go na sea. Now for that make ranking pack. And the small time more than they get, where the one boat they move for go by the time where they reach now the IEZ zone, the weather don't fall down. So they not go able fishing. And if you go catch in net, sometimes a small fish they come. So fish the there.
Alright, so what's not the message where you send to government and to people them out there?
Well, the government, the only way no more government get for do for we people then they strain a sea, troll the poil and chain them. Look one reservoir and they per make that time more than they left here for gold, na net and the weather. So the troller they unbug them too much na sea. And some troller they can inside for can fishing. And then they poil and chain them. And then fisherman and a local fisherman there. And they not get able for chase then troller then they go weather don't for them. So for that, let government help we to the fisherman there. For let them able get where are the monitor the sea, then back let them send back rescue team back for rescue them back for car home. Because weather for them, then they let go na sea pass how many hours they need. Sometimes they can even time before the weather cool and they able come. So now that we able make let government able help we for that.
Thank you to you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, how are you now?
So you go tell me your name?
Aminata Bangura.
Okay, Aminata, well we dey get complaints from people them out there and say whether they can market the fishing price don't go up. So you go tell me what's not the reason why the fishing price don't go up?
Well, the reason to make the fishing price don't go up. Right a woman then they gonna see, then they catch, feel long go up. Next run there, where they go to all that, then they give them chance. And they cut and chain them. Fisherman they when they gonna see now so when they come. So now make fish don't go up.
People they say now because the fisherwoman then can want forget excess profit, now make them can raise the price up. What you get for second?
No, not to so it be. Now the way how they buy the fish, because you don't go buy this there. Like I did so yesterday, I buy them, then 3 days I buy them, only get them 40,000. So how me get for sell this, say the money come out. So where I go to buy them, I just get for charge there. You see, because the fish right now it don't there. All things just go up. Fishing, no sign no dey right now. Where they go catch boku fish. Now make feel if we go buy, we just get for sell there. You see.
Okay. So like compared to last year in season and this year, because plenty people can say by month now so fish they come and this now in season. Compared to the last year in season and this year, how you see the fishing?
So last year it look better small. because last year the fish if they come with the fisherman they would they happy. Then they buy them back when they come and they buy fine, would they sell give them fine. So this year then we all just go for beer because all things don't go backward.
Okay, but you dey assure people then say if the trailer then give una chance and the una man then begin for catch fish properly, you assure them say the price get for go down?
Yes, if trailer then give you chance, then give woman then chance, the fish will go down. You see, and this problem trailer then they cause na sea and they stone woman them and they pollinate them to go what happen them. So the fishermen are not able to go far because first time and they pump small fuel, but right now they pump 5 gallon fuel, 5 butter. I mean, so we just here for wake out the fish, just here for sell there. So the buyer them let not blame the fisherman, let not blame who the fisherman them. Last year it look better past this year because last year fuel they buy and cheap, but this year fuel price will increase. And just go then go count small fish and just here for sell there. But let them get them fuel. So today, make them go get chance back for going to see.
So waiting at your word where you dey send to viewers them out there, okay, and to the government concerning this fishing price.
So they tell Papa government let put hand for this fishing business. Make them help with it. So allow them, make them push them, make them go far. Make them give women them chance. Let we self go able get from them. Let the buy themselves, they ask them cool, make them happy for what they can buy to we.
Thank you to you. Yeah. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
All right. What's your name?
I'm Abdullah Kamal.
Okay, Abdul. We don't go different side them and we don't find out say people they complain a lot and they complain say the fishing price don't go up. So like we want for a from you, okay? What in you fishing at the reason why made the fishing price don't go up?
Okay, well this fishing price will go up because of we get 30 months then of the rain season where fish business is scarce, and two we self being the fisherman there within in this God beach area. We can go fishing majority of the trawlers because then the fish we the local fishing the artisanal follow we able forget. Now in the trawler then the fishing then they can wait then they put on a cartoon. Even the fish we net then they put the herring. With the sea trawler then they count some kind small herring there. Don't two the fuel back. Even if you don't buy 4 butter fuel, you go fishing at the sea. Then you go in able count fish where you say you go able sell to that amount they way for make the petrol come on. So all and ten they will cost and strain. Or if we cow they have fish, we sell for go know how for able sell, for able get the fuel money. And the trawler there they look disturbed with too much.
Right. Well, considering the fact that this now rain season and this now August, how the sales they go on?
Well, the sales August month can always be fish can sell because now the market, because not to all everybody they go now they see August for able for go fishing.
But like when people then they complain out there say the fishing price don't go up, in price don't go up. So what do you feel saying are the solution to that day?
Well, the solution to that day now even the government really big because of the trawler there. If you never push them far away, go far distance, you understand? Where we serve, if we serve the get real fish now whether trawler or not they can, we go sell until we actual amount to fish so we will sell between the community.
Okay, so you feel say if you don't trawler they are giving a chance, obviously the fishing price get for cut down?
Yes sir, yes ma'am.
Alright. So what in your own word where you go send to the government and to put them out there?
Well we go to send to the government because even the minister of marine resources is close to we now. Did you understand? And we serve a no waiting our problem. They know waiting our constraint. Even a man when even the honorable Jallo. You understand? They all live in the same community. They know waiting our constraint them. The people they know they can't tell you. But who they talk to Papa government? Let Papa government look to we and let sorry for we. You understand? Let it bring calm beaucoup fishing material can we fish some man women not be get we will help them for able to develop it in family.
Okay, so as you don't say this, what now the awareness we go give people them out there say if government put on inside this and then to all that they are left for they like collect the fish, most of the fishing, what now the awareness we people then say the price of fish go can down?
Well, if the government don't push them to collect go far, and we say government come for like help the local fishermen, the artisanal fishermen, and government don't tell government forget about we. From 2005 we the government, the SLPP government, 2005, they can build 100 boats to people there. then give to people there. And now we can give somebody go able get a 15 man or 20 man put on the one vessel for letting say go able sustain in life. And really with the strain with the local fishermen there, because this look at the beach. You understand? They pass 50 boats there up the land, up the shore. We're not the fishing because of maintenance problem. I would talk to government like I help with the local fishermen on the stream.
Alright, plenty thank you to you.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ma.
Afternoon.
Wetin na your name?
My name Balu Kagbo.
Alright, Mommy Balu, we dey get complaints from people dem out there say the fishing price dey go up. Wetin na you own say concerning that?
Well, wetin me dey talk? The fuel is there. Fisherman dey pull him money go buy the fuel is there. Then he put him boat na see Sunday na one rubber he dey get. Sunday na bailer. And when he come, the small fish no dey branca. He must sell like pull the fuel. Some boats and then they don't trust to them customer say fuel. Sunday no get money again. Wetin na the way even the fish is small, he get right for sell price. Let he sell go get. Let fisherman let not trust again. Na the see make wey this fuel what to say. Then the number 2 wetin more na we this racing business. By this motorman you make certain na this belle na get motorman also. When you work at say you angry. Sunday they get 10 pikin, Sunday get almost pikin there. Well, like that 10 pikin there, they can't look at me. Yeah, now they get me pikin there. I get 8 pikin, the other hand don't sit worse. Now that they pull money for like get what see and they get me pikin. Well, like what this don't make so. I know they get market. Me na fish are they dry. Me papa na fisherman say he die left me per fish. Well, why they cancel? If they make sure give me fish, I go sell. Why I sell I get me income? And so me pikin and they can't go because like what school don't look so. I get for buy book. I get for buy bag. I get for buy shoes. Well, like what this don't make so. Who side they get? Another work. Another side they go answer yes sir. Me man not the work. Me man is na farm work they do. So na me abo. If me man not na me say they get. For last succeed to me pikin. Well, when this one don't tranga so. Who saw we they get nothing. But if you not the fear na you can down. If you don't go and see them come. Who say we go know them go put the fish down for we. You understand? Then the rest, why the workers why not get na angry they pay me so. Me pick it our left na angry. Why not get money pass and go buy gari? Now gari 2 cup 2.5. The gari 2 cup 2.5. When me office when okay so they get money for la go buy. For la get what they to me pick it. Nothing no day. You see, fisherman they carry they go and see them they pass and nothing no they get. All land they what see but when they send a thief. So when I go content my pass thief because what's in there. And this government side they say what this man sit down the country I'm out to go up this that this. Well who they beg mad that they let help we.
Alright, so what's not the message wey they send to people them out there where they talk say the fishing price go up and now una the fisherman and they blame?
Well, we dey tell them say we no go blame the fisherman there. Now the fuel will go up. If you fuel can down, who serve the wife go sweet for we. Therefore say we now it now they fishing, but now they nothing. The fish don't go out, so they pump 18 gallon. That 18 gallon then about money pass 1 million. So they can nothing how they get. You see, all that day. So we now when meet today what they so nothing another for go give me picking because now how they get.
So what's not your message wey they give to the government?
Well, the government they give message say they let them do how they beg and let them help we. Let all think kind of you think kind of say go comfortable for we.
Well, plenty taking to you forget we are. Good afternoon.
How are you?
Fine. So like what's your name?
Na my name Famata.
Alright, Famata, we come to you this hour for talk to you concerning the fishing price don't go up. Plenty people they grumble out there say the fishing price don't go up, in price don't go up. What you get for say concerning that?
The license I don't go up. And where the license go up, where they go fishing, where they cow the fish. We they buy each one dozen 5,000. Where they go sit down a market, where the buyer then they go, then they grumble say fish there in a market. And also we, now the way how they buy the fish. Fuel don't go up, the license don't go up. So the boatman they where they cow them fish, we they buy 5,000. So you see so now so.
Some people they talk saying that because of the trailer and the sea and the weather, they're saying that by months fish can come. So what you get for say concerning that?
Fishing no day. How then they go now so then they come. So fish no they sell no day with a strain. Nothing no day with a strain.
So you feel say now because fish no day na funkia now you make the fishing price go up?
Not for that, not for funkia no more. All over fish no day. You go na the Kohum fish there. You can answer fish there. So how we go do now? right now more na we.
So like wetin na the message wey you dey send to the government and people dem out there?
I dey tell government do let help we, may help the fisherman dem and let talk to the coroom man dem, let them put the price down. We dey strain.
Let me take it to you, eh?
Okay.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Wetin na your name?
Na me Adam say.
And I'm saying we dey get feedback from people dem out there say the price of fish don go up. Wetin na your take concern in that?
Yes, me own concern. The fish wey I be dey buy 100,000. Now I dey buy am 230.
Okay. So when you buy this fish 230, how you dey see you profit from last year to this year?
Forget gbe 20,000 sef gbe for the turn work.
So what if you say na the cost for that day?
Yeah, we dey tell Papa government let them increase the dollar there wey dey high and go up no more.
So like
Yes, make dem reduce.
alright. So like you feel say if the dollar reduce na e go make
Yes,
the fish.
e dey go down, e dey go down.
Okay. So like wetin na your message wey you dey send to people dem out there wey dey complain say the fishing price don go up?
Yeah, we dey tell them, we dey just dey talk to Papa government let go able put am and then thing dem dey.
Alright, but you no feel say na because of the weather na or the trailer dem na the sea na e dey make where the fish dey there?
The weather e dey o, e no be dey o, dem dey get fish. Na the money wey dem dey pay na im make all thing don go up. Yeah, dem dey.
Alright, plenty thank you to you. Wetin na your name?
Na me name Famata.
Alright, Famata, we come to you this hour for talk to you concerning the fishing price wey don go up. Plenty people dey grumble out there say the fishing price don go up, in price don go up. What you get for say concerning that?
The license na don go up, and where the license go up, where dem go fishing, where dem carry the fish, we dey buy each one dozen 5,000. Where dey go sit down na market, where the buyer dem dey go, dem dey grumble say fish there na market, and not to we na the way we dey buy the fish. Fuel don go up, the license don go up, so the boatman dem wey dem carry dem fish, we dey buy am 5,000. So you see am. So na so.
Some people dey talk say na because of the trailer dem na the sea and the weather, dem say na by month fish kin come. So what you get for say concerning that?
Fish no dey. How dem dey go na so dem dey come. So fish no dey, sell no dey, we dey strain. Nothing no dey, we dey strain.
So you feel say na because fish no dey na funkia na e make the fishing price go up?
Not for that, not to funkia no more. All over fish no dey. You go na the cohoom fish there. You can so fish there. So how we go do now? Right now more na we.
So like wetin na the message wey you dey send to the government and people dem out there?
I dey tell government do let help we. May help the fisherman dem and let talk to the cohoom man dem, let them put the price down. We dey strain.
Let me take it to you, eh? Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Wetin na your name?
My name is Ibrahim Kuruma Elias Awoluwu.
Wetin na your position at the WAF?
Well, me na the secretary of the Abobis.
Alright, so like people and they complain out there, they say the fishing price don't go up. Wetin na you say concerning that?
Well, now because of bad season, now the rain semboku, so you need to expect more catch. Moreover, the breeze, how the breeze they blow because at times the fish is steady one side. Don't they sound? He push now the fish in now right now the by Banana Mama Beach area. Now the fishing ground station right now. Yes.
So like you dey try for say na because fish dey no dey na funky right now, e make the fishing price dey go up?
Yes, true.
So,
Yes.
like wetin na the message wey dey send to government or to people dem out there?
Well, the message to government is that they get for advise the trawler them for go far away from the survey the boating and fishing. See, because of the noise make the fishing go out. Now the fisherman they able to reach the. Yes.
Let me take it to you. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
You go tell me your name?
I content.
Okay, I contact. Well, concerning this fish business, people they don't dey grumble. They say the fishing price don't go up. Eh?
Yes.
You go tell me what thing you feel say na the cause wey make the price don't go up?
Na the Tranganes.
Okay, well, as I can see, you dey can buy and you sef go sell, okay? But when you dey can buy am so, you dey able to get profit out of what you dey buy and sell?
Say forget profit, e no easy o. Because this rain here, say you dey go for go waka, you go waka say e gains back. E no easy.
Okay, but like when you don can buy am so, what are the feedback wey you can get from people dem? One day wey dem can buy the fish to you, wetin dem can tell you?
They dey grumble for me, they say the fish there, they say right now fish no dey. Who be made the tell them say who back not to we? Fish no dey.
Compared to last year rain season and this rain season, what's profit? The profit wey you don make, how you dey see am? E pass last year?
Better. Me last year better.
So last year be better for you?
Yes.
But wetin na the thing wey you wan send to government, the message you wan send to government and people dem out there?
Me I wan say let government let's sorry for we. Una beg the beggar. Na beg the beggar no more. Let's sorry for we.
Alright, plenty thank you to you. Good afternoon.
Yes, how did they?
And you go tell me your name?
I'm named Aisatu Masari.
Alright, Aisatu, we can't tell una this morning because we dey get complaints from people out there say the fish in price don go up, in fish in price don go up. So what do you get for say concerning that?
Because right now fishing money, then the fuel is there. So if you don't come to the area, however, because they go for selling, let the money come out for buy fuel. If you sell there, the fuel they come out, fuel money they come out. If you sell Yorkshire, fuel money they come out. So for make money, therefore make idea for make.
Okay. So people they say now because of the trailer the way they na sea and the weather, now it make the fishing price they go because the fisherman and they catch baku fish. What do you get for say concerning that?
No, because right now the fishing maybe don't lost now. So Sunday you go Mama Beach or Tombo for go fishing. If you fishing there, the egg they go down, and then they mean no fun.
Alright, so you feel say now because fish don't short in a funky and I make?
Yes, fish don't short now. Fish don't short in.
Okay, so like wetin na your own message wey you go send to the government and people them out there?
But some of the government help we the poor one they will not get, and then they may get.
Alright, most of the people them wey dey crumble say fish don there, what na your message wey you dey tell them?
It make them be or if another market. If you fish or they find another market, do one. It go better you.
Plenty thank you to you. Good afternoon.
Yeah, how are you, ma?
You go tell me your name?
My name is Ibrahim Soyi.
Alright, Ibrahim, we come to you this hour for can talk to you concerning the fishing price wey don go up. What you get for say concerning that?
Well, we let the government say put for us side.
Alright. What if you say na the cause wey make the fishing price dey go up?
Na because of the scholar in Abogui.
Alright, so you dey try for say we say not so because of the weather or because of the fisherman and the afraid for going inside the sea where the rain dey come?
Na because of the weather make sometimes the fisherman dey afraid for the moment time they need.
Alright, so you dey say if the scholar dem go away una go able for catch fish and we sef go able for like blow up and complain the way we dey get?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so wetin na the message wey you dey send to viewers dem out there and to the government?
Well, me I dey send messages for the government say we don suffer rule of the party, we don see nothing get it, so we no see nothing, don dey laugh we, thing dey go up, we no see we call pass we can suffer for no kind of the water, we no get wetin for do. So no food, they don't cost for the party, do all kind of tension. We no see no moving, no walking. So while the government help we for that side here.
Alright, plenty thank you to you, Brian.
Yes, ma. How do you afternoon, ma?
Fine. What's your name?
And then Fatima Sajalo.
Alright, Fatima, we can't talk to you this hour concerning the fishing price we don't go up. What you get for say concerning that?
Well, concerning that, the fishing price they don't go up, so we're not glad on that. Because we work now how they get. We're not gonna say forget all of this water. And right now, all don't go up. Fuel on there. So right now, Uber the chain the all on there. Rest on the not to rest now fish how camper. So right now, we go want mayor government do for reason for the fuel. Now Uber go the fish, now go they get so they eat because now all they get. So you see, so now the talk now the Uber gets for tell you.
Where we dey get them complaints there from people say now because of the trailer and at times now because of the month, the season, the water bad, the weather, now make fish they know the day. So what you get for say concerning that?
Well, that is not true because even today then go rain come, so the breeze wey dey blow, fisherman dey afraid for go fall fish dey carry side. That na support on that.
Okay, so wetin na your message wey dey send to government and people that there?
Me and the big government let the fell then AC fell up again like can down. Log go get so Mr. Dr. Julius Marabio. So they are help we because see how they get. Let feel easy level for we. Log fisherman go able bomb feel what I can sell give we Uber gets. Yes. And the solar let them go. Let them put solar come on now.
Alright. Let me take it to you, eh?
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, howdy, body man.
Please tell me your name.
Adugaman.
Alright, Abdulrahman, we can't talk to you concerning the fishing price. People they complain say don't go up, okay?
Yes.
So what do you get for say concerning that?
If you go let the price go down, let everything go down because right now we dey suffer. Right now fish them they sell 1,000 for those 1,500, now 5,000, 4,000. Why not they let go down?
Alright, so what if you say na the cause wey make fishing price dey go up?
And the government.
Alright. So So
yeah, the fuel.
you dey say na the government na in the cause wey make fish in price don go down.
Yeah.
What of people wey dey say na because of the trailer or the fuel or the weather?
Yeah, na the fuel don go up because the fuel dey be the buy am but night side don there. You see now fisherman we no go fishing, he can sell low price. In back for east, you see.
So like as a fisherman, compared to last year and now, how you see you profit to go up?
Last year from now, actually the profit pass. The profit to go up past last year.
Alright, so as in right now it better for you pass last year?
Yeah, last year better pass right now.
Alright.
Yeah, because you do business, they sell, you do all things correct now, you know, you see.
Alright. So what now the message they send to government or to people out there?
Because I tell government let them help we for the fuel, for the fishing, let them help we for let we get back, we will go up back by the fishing, let them help we. Let government help we. Who don't
Let me thank you to you for get we are. Good afternoon, ma.
How the body?
What's in your name?
My name baby Kamara.
Alright. So we can't talk to you concerning this fishing price we don't go up, eh? People then they grumble now though. Let's say the fish woman and they make the price of the fish go up. What you get for say concerning that day?
Yes, now the fuel business time on and I make the fish they go up right now. They strain. See how the fish here now they leave me picking them. See I'm waiting to I'm picking them they suffer, me picking they suffer.
So from last year in season compared to and this one, how you see the fishing price? You feel say it okay for you?
No, Ibana, Mona, you know okay for me, Mona.
Okay, so like what's not the message we send to government and people that out there?
Let the government, Papa government, let help we. Let them help we for this fishing business, for this fuel business. Let them help we.
Alright, so what's that the assurance we they give to people and say if government put an inside this issue, yeah, so una the fishing woman then go put the price down of the fish.
We go for put am on. What the fuel go down back, we go know how we go put am.
Alright, plenty thank you to you. Yeah. Good afternoon, ma.
Yes, how the body?
What's in your name?
My name Auntie Safi.
Alright, Auntie Safi, we can't talk to you concerning this fishing price we don't go up. People that they grumble out there say now una the fishing woman they make the price go up. What you get for say concerning that?
No, na the fisherman and they sell good there. And I say they sell there.
Alright, so what if you say now the cause make them they sell give you there?
Fish sell there.
Alright, so
you can't take the fish.
if you feel there, what's not the message they send to the government concerning that?
So they make there, let they can fail for you there.
Alright.
Kind of school we go for pay school fee money no dey.
You as a fishing woman, last year concerning this fishing price go up, how you dey rate am last year and this year?
In last year like so don buy for pikine. Old school open so. But now nothing. Left that man there.
So what's not the message they send to people that out there where they talk say now una where they sell the fish they make the price they go up?
Where they sell the fish?
The people where they go must say now una where they sell the fish now they make the price they go up. What's
Yeah, tell them say not so they buy there, also they sell there.
Alright, plenty thank you to you. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, afternoon, Mama.
What's in your name?
My name Aruna Bendu.
Alright, Mr. Aruna.
Yeah, but the popular name Taxi.
Alright, Taxi. We can't talk to you concerning this fishing price we don't go up. People then they grumble out there. They say the fishing price don't go up, and now una the fisherman there now are responsible for that day. What you get for say concerning that?
Well, Mama, me na tote man.
Okay. Oh, you the tote?
Na fisher the tote.
Alright, so concerning this tote you the tote and the fishing price will go up. You the rate them last year and this year. How you see them? What are the difference?
No, this year in Mona we. Because why? Right now the world the tote. Fish no dey. They are about this about tote so. For people na forget ngona banda. Na 5 block there in the pay we. They no get money see them so. Them fisherman no get nothing. But right now fuel be forget yourself gonna see. So in a 3 boat 2 boat and they gonna see. Yes. Fuel on there. Understand? Why you get 2 gallon, 3 gallon, if you get for it. How you go manage pump up fuel all. It's not eat this school feed this. Cash no dey. So from Silva come 5 block be unable to it. This rubber tote so. Why the total for carrying na band? Na 5 block only na they pay me. They no get money. What them sell back, then I get money back. Then they put in a sell, they put in a sell back. It depend pump back, pass the pay that money. Because we no get money. Once they don't she don't show now. For the whole day, Mama, forget 2000 for go feel in picking. You know easy. So this is don't money we.
So
particularly this year.
What's not the message we send to the government out there for men and catch on
The message we only they give, let the help we will not get. You understand? Now not go school. I not sabi right I let the big like this robaya. Now this what I would get. So let Papa government help we. Let us can let fail can down. We not fail more one more. You understand? So me na them again for tell Papa government. We the beggar. Let help we.
Let me take it to you.
Okay, ma'am.
What's your name?
Fatu.
All right, Mommy Fatu. We can talk to you concerning this fishing price we don't go up. People that they grumble out there say fishing price don't go up. So we want to know from Una now. Why if you say this fishing price don't go up?
And the water rough.
So you want saying that because of the rain season, the water weather off?
Yes.
All right. When you compare last year rain season and this rain season, how you see and what's the difference?
And last year better.
Last year better past this year. Why you say so?
Because last year they get half market. This year we get better.
All right. So what are the message you go send to government and people them out there?
And for me they help me.
So if government can't on an you, I sure people then say the fishing price go down.
Yes.
All right. Plenty thank you to you, Mommy Fatu.
Yeah.
How you have time?
What's your name?
I'm not Salima to contain.
All right, Mommy Saleh, we can't talk to you this hour concerning this fishing price we don't go up. People in the grumble and don't say the fishing price don't go up. We want for a reform una. What's not the reason make this fishing price don't go up?
What's make the fishing price don't go up? Because of now the trawler in the morning. We want to go fishing. We start for going. I need trawler in the going. And right now, money not there for pump the fuel. We dey use them 20 gallon for go far. Now 3 gallon. So the time when they go, they not they meet the fish. Trawler don't eat there. And this is not really money. We not get money again for trading. The half money they would don't use some power picky there. We don't eat some. We dey beg for governments. Let them help we for them trawler. Trawler in the money of board and also no need book cash. Because now fuel now just they go up, money no day. We dey suffer. Now they can buy 1 grain herring 6,000 for dozen. How much we go able go sell am? What we go get and sell no day, money no day. We dey beg governments. Yeah, the trawler they get their own salsa in the fishing. Let them go about them chance we them get for him. Now then they may able to talk Salima to continue.
Okay, so what's not the message where you go send to people out there where they go and say that woman where they sell the fish they make the price they go up?
Where to make the price they go up? Because they buy the fuel dear. And when they blank 10 rubber, if they count to a rubber, they don't get for sale and 5 block and 50 low for dozen. They just get for sale and 5,000 for dozen. For let them pull the fuel money.
Right. Plenty people can say the fisher woman they add part the fishing price because they want make over profit. What you get for tell them?
Wait till make who they buy that price because if we don't go buy 5,000 for dozen, we don't buy, we don't cost we 6,000 for dozen. We just get for sale and 3 for 2,000. We don't offended the 1,000.
Plenty thank you to you.
Yeah.
Viewers, until una sef don't listen to wetin people then get for say concerning the reason why make the fishing price go up and the causes and also the solutions to am. Well, me will bring the program cancer na me your name na Kona Sise. So take talk to the camera and meet una back next time. Tata.